Hello everybody! Today we're going to show you how to insert your SIM cards into the Samsung Galaxy M10. So first thing you need to do is open up the SIM tray, which is located on the left side of your Samsung Galaxy M10. Just take your SIM ejector tool and push it inside this hole. So take your nano SIM cards and place them inside the SIM tray. By the way, the Samsung Galaxy M10 also supports one micro SD card for memory expansions next to the two nano SIM cards. Now just take your SIM tray and place it back inside the phone. Like this. And that will be it. Your network is available now.